Today we are going to make in-car unboxing video. Yes. And the object that we are going to unbox today is the car charger. See? A cheap one. Chinese thing. Yes. It's a triple car charging. Okay, that's overvoltage protection. It has also overcurrent protection, electromagnetic interference protection, thermal protection, and come on, short circuit protection. Cool. Okay. Nice looking. Okay, I like the color of the cable. Red and white. Cool looking. And that's our charger. Let's make a test. Okay. I have connected my DJI remote controller from my drone. Let's see. Let's turn on the key. Let's see if that thing is charging. Oh yes, it is. Okay. So I'm charging my smartphone and my remote controller at the same time, and there's another two positions here. The one is quick charge 2 connection, so you can charge at least 3 devices at the same time in your car. Okay, that's a good option when you're traveling with your car. You can charge your tablet, your smartphone, all your electronic devices that you have with you. So, thumbs up for that cheapy Chinese stuff. Good work, Chinese. And the coolest thing, it lights up at night. So if you're driving at night and you want to charge your smartphones and your devices, you can easily connect everything on the charger. Cool stuff.